Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create a PayPal invoice. To create a PayPal invoice, you need to log into your account, or you have to use a browser version of PayPal. So type in paypal.com and log into your account. So once you're logged into your paypal.com account, you have to, from the PayPal homepage, find the invoicing options. So tap on the menu bar, go to the home section and look for the invoicing options. So now what next you need to do is, after which you need to go ahead and if using send a request, you want to click more from the sub menu and then select create an invoice. Then on the invoicing page, select the create invoice or create new button. Then you have to add a name or email address of the person you are billing. Then you have to add invoice details. That means enter the item's name, quantity, and price of each product. Customize, that is custom logo, select the template, all that. And you have to review and send the invoice check. So once you've actually done it, so after sending customer payment, the customer will receive the invoice and can pay using the PayPal account, a credit card, or a link payment method. And the invoice status or will be updated to your PayPal account once it has been paid. And this is the way you could create a PayPal invoice. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.